Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to yet another video from the Mars Family channel. If you're new to this channel, if you're passing by for the very first time, please consider subscribing, turn on the bell to get to know of when we have posted a new video. If you're very new to this channel, you are welcome and give us a comment to welcome you. In today's video, we're going to be looking at what they call digraphs. What do I mean when I talk about digraphs? By digraphs, I mean two letters coming together to form a single new sound. What are the examples of digraphs? We have letter C coming together with letter H to form sound ch, ch, ch. What are some of the words that take up this sound? We have chin, ch, I, n, ch, I, n. We have cheese, ch, is, ch, is. We have chick, ch, ik, ch, ik. We have letter S combining together with letter H to form a sound sh, sh. Which are some of the words that take up this sound? Ship, ship, ship. We have it in the word fish, fish, fish. We have it in the word shirt, shirt, shirt. We have the same sound in the word shop, shop, shop. We have it in the word shine, shine, shine. We also have letter P combining with letter H, forming a new sound. What are some of the words that take up this sound? We look at the word phone. 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 We look at the word photo. 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 We look at the word graph. Gr, a, gr, a. We have T and we have letter T and H coming together. This forms two different sounds. In some cases, it forms a sound as in thin. Thin. We have it in the word thick. 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 We have it in the word think. Ink. Ink. We also see the same digraph making the sound v. 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 We see this in the word like this. Is. Is to form the word this. We have it in the word that. At. At to form the word that. We see the same sound in the word them. So this is a single digraph that makes two different sounds. And this sound is dependent on when you're using this digraph. And lastly, we have letter N combining together to form a single new sound. Ng, ng, ng. What are some of the words with this sound? We see the word sing, 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 sing. To form the word sing. We see the same sound in the word wing. Wing, wing. from the word wing. We see the same sound in the word strong. 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 We see the same sound in the word king. Ing. Ing. So, comment down below for each and every sound. Try to come up with words that have not been put on the list. Let me see if you understand where these sounds are used. And comment down below words with all these sounds. If you're passing by for the very first time, please like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification so you get to know of when we have posted a new video. And please let me know of what you would like me to cover in the next videos, so we can interact from the comment section. Let me know of which videos you want me to make. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching again. Have a nice day. Bye.